back to Rip and Flip Cards. This is Brendan. I'm just going to be opening 6 packs of the Topps Flagship Edition UEFA Club Competitions trading cards from the 24-25 season. Fingers crossed we see some nice stuff. Anyway, thanks for joining. Checklist of Brazilian Brilliance, Julian Brandt, Ezra Konza, ooh, best of the best Perlo, nice, very nice, Darwin Núñez, Min Jae Kim, Arjel, and Marquinhos. A little thin on the ground though, Pat, but hey, that is what it is. Barella, Pablo Barrios, Vicario, Reed. Well, who would have thought that the raindrop the raindrop card would be a checklist. Anyway, Chiesa, who's starting to show some stuff for Liverpool this season. Johnny and Cole Palmer, or Cold Palmer as he likes himself to be known for some obscure reason. Okay, we've got title winners Olympiacos, Riquelme, Gilles Washin. Oh, a Paul Gascoigne, Hollow, very nice. A Gascoigne, wasn't expecting to see that. That's a great one to pull out. Historic captains, Oliver Kahn, another great one to pull out. Ethan Nwaneri, I think another great one to pull out. Oscar Bob and Unai Hernandez. That was a nice set of cards I just pulled there. That was a very generous pack, I think we could call it that. Okay, what are we going to get out of this one? Who knows, who knows, who knows? You have Dessers, Mike Magnan, yeah. Garnacho. Oh, a new era Harvey Elliott, who has since moved on. Harry Kane. Trent Alexander-Arnold, another who has moved on. Alistair Johnston. And Kang In-lee. Okay, we're on our second last pack for this rip. There it is. Luka Modric, Benjamin Pavard, Richarlison, Leon Bailey, it's got a very green tinge to it. Sudakov, 55 of 99. Minamino, Kenan Yildiz, and Fermin Lopez. Two very good young players. Okay, and the last pack for this grouping. Rodrigo de Paul, the Enforcer. Isakor, rookie card. Adeyemi. Ooh. Alexis McAllister. Very nice. Teardrops. Very cool. Rodrigo, new era. Ooh, Rodrigo. Manuel Neuer. Tosin Adarabioyo. Not sure how to pronounce that. And Matty Warhurst, rookie card. Okay, well, let's quickly sort these. McAllister is probably the best of the pools. Oh no, he's probably not actually. That's a bit of a lie by me. It's a better pool than the Zudikov, but the historic captains is pretty good. I think the Gascoigne is actually even better. It's a shame it's not a numbered card, but it's still a nice looking card, the old Paulie Gascoigne. And it never hurts to get a PLO. Never hurts. Anyway, so Gascoigne, Pirlo, McAllister, Khan, they're probably the four best. And everything else was pretty decent. Anyway, I will call that the end, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.